Well, we use sodium chloride or salt for many things, including using it in our food, in manufacturing, in our homes, and of course to clear the roads and sidewalks in the winter. News 19's Crystal Flintrop spoke with environmental organizations about the negative impacts of overusing the mineral.
Salt is an essential mineral and an effective and useful mineral. It's a question of how much.
The Wisconsin DNR is noticing an increase in chlorides or salt in waterways, and there's two main reasons why.
Winter road maintenance is number one. Water softeners are number two.
Wisconsin used more than 320,000 tons of salt on its roads last winter, and seeing environmental impacts was expected.
It makes sense over time. We've been applying salt for many years and it's accumulating in our environment. It doesn't ever go away. And so we want to slow it down, slow that trend down.
According to Wisconsin SaltWise, 1 teaspoon of salt can pollute 5 gallons of water to a level that is toxic for freshwater ecosystems.
It does have negative impacts upon fish, amphibians, turtles, those things that live in the marsh can be negatively impacted, can be killed by excessive salt concentrations in the water.
Higher chlorides kind of results in more of those blue-green algae blooms that shut down our beaches and make it difficult for us to swim and boat.
But truly, it's the amount of salt that's harmful.
You don't need to have every square inch covered with a grain of salt. What needs to happen is it needs to be, used, spread out, and then it needs to get wet. It has to be wet in order for it to work.
And for everyday usage, they say a coffee cup full of salt can treat a 20-foot driveway or 10 sidewalk squares.
In La Crosse, I'm Crystal Flintrop, News 19.
Well, Wisconsin Salt Awareness Week is January 23rd through the 27th. And through the week, the Wisconsin SaltWise is holding a series to help educate the public about the impact of this road salt in drinking water and freshwater ecosystem.